Title: How to Make an Origami Parrot Easy Step-by-Step Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to fold a colorful origami parrot using just 2 sheets of paper. This fun and easy project is perfect for beginners. Let's get started. Start by folding your first sheet of paper in half lengthwise, making sure to crease it well. Then unfold it. Next, fold both sides of the paper towards the center crease, aligning them perfectly. This creates 2 flaps that meet in the middle. Once aligned, unfold these flaps. Now fold the back flap upwards along the top edge to create the base shape of the parrot. Repeat this process with the second sheet of paper. Attach both pieces together by sliding one into the other at the folded flaps. This secures the body of your parrot. Fold the entire model in half. Then fold the 2 bottom sections upwards towards the top. Repeat this process on the other side to ensure symmetry. Carefully open up the model and use the existing creases to form a shape similar to the sample shown. Fold the entire model in half again to reinforce the structure. Origami tip: for crisper folds and smoother results, use a bone folder or the back of a spoon to press along your creases. This helps create neat, precise folds essential for intricate origami designs like our vibrant parrot. To create the tail, fold the bottom part of the model upwards. This will give your parrot a distinctive look. Next, shape the body by folding and adjusting as needed to create a natural form. Finally, create the head by folding a small portion at the top, adjusting the creases to form the beak and eyes. And there you have it, a beautiful origami parrot. Adjust any folds to perfect its shape, and your colorful creation is complete. We hope you enjoyed creating this lovely origami parrot with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun origami tutorials and creative crafting ideas. Happy folding!